Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, we talked yesterday about what the bears needed to do in order for there to be a band ride. Well, there you have it. They took it up to the pre-FOMC price. They couldn't get through, and it fell back all the way through to deal with the lower band. We traded as low as 33.5 overnight. We mapped this out yesterday for you guys. We talked about in the first 24 hours after the Fed, it likes to migrate back to the pre-FOMC price. If they couldn't convert that, they were going to be in trouble. I thought it was going to be quite a reach to go down and make that band ride. But when the bears make up their mind that they want to do something, which is like 8 times a year, they get it done. So it was another big day for us. We were long up into the move. I actually missed the initial move down off the China news. I was at the gym. And, you know, if you're going to trade, if you're going to be a trader, sometimes you're going to miss stuff. Life happens. So, you know, you just kind of gather yourself and move on. We shorted 29.69, and we had a really nice short from there. A couple more nice trades, short 55, short 61 quarter. So, I mean, it's, you know, that stuff's going to happen. That stuff's going to happen. And it's how you process it and how you come back from it. If you come back and you're like, oh, that was the move. It's like, this thing is hyper volatile. There's 8, 10, 12, 15 handles laying around all over the place. Take a deep breath, you know, take a walk around, or take a lap around your office once, sit down and find the next setup. That's really all there is to it. We've got jobs in about 22 minutes. I don't have any strong feelings one way or the other. I think that the jobs report is taking a backseat to the Fed, and it's taking a backseat to China right now. And I'll be interested to see if the reaction is positive, just how positive it can be. They had trouble with 50 all night, so that's going to be important. 33 was something that one of the traders in our room identified as a key area. If 48 had converted, well, 33.5 is your low, so it was fun using that. So you've got the lows at 33.5, you've got resistance at 50, so you've got 17 handles that are going to have to be dealt with today, and whoever converts those, yeah, I mean, look, if you convert 50, if you're the bulls, the chances of you getting a look at 70 are decent if the volatility keeps up. If you break 33, I mean, 23 to 17 is my next destination beyond that, and those aren't targets, they're just levels on a chart, but they're things that you have to keep in mind. So right now, I am short 46.5. We had identified last night as the 47, 48 area needed to hold, and if it did hold, we were looking for a move down to 33. I didn't catch the first move because at 3 in the morning, I tried to be asleep, but popped up, gave another look into 47 at 6 a.m. or something like that. And so I've taken some profits. I have my risk out. I'm even stop as we head into the Fed, and we'll see what happens. But I'm really going into this Fed thing with an open mind because we've come down a ways. We've converted a bunch of key levels, and like I said before, I think there's other pieces of news that are standing in line ahead of jobs. But if it's a positive reaction and they want to use it as an opportunity for a nice little rally, I mean, we've certainly come off enough to get that done. So like I said, don't game the Fed. Don't go into this with any preconceived notions. I always tell you guys not to do that. I think this time, you've really got to go into it without any preconceived notions. See what they say. More importantly, see what the reaction is after the number, and off we go. All right, take care. Trade them well. Have a great weekend. Come check us out. I'm not going to sit here and try to sell you a car. You trade this stuff every day. I continue to say you're doing yourself a great disservice if you're not in here with us. It's a great place to be. Take care. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.